So let's talk about my experience using this little thing right here. It's called Popsocket. So what I have to say about this is that I was using something different, which is this one right here, this case. This case is very cheap, it's very hard. It's not bad, I liked it a lot, but if you use it for like long time, it's gonna lose some quality. Right here it started to lose color, and this thing, it was like a little bit more stiff, and then right now it's like very loose, as you can see, but still it's still a good product, still working. And so yeah, before the Popsocket I used the ring, I would say. It's like half ring, and I was very satisfied with it. And so you can just put it through like here, like keep it on your hand, so you get like a better grip. And also one thing that I liked it a lot is this, that you can just place it and watch videos, and that's what I do a lot. I watched a lot of videos, so this is one thing that I didn't wanna lose. So I gave it a shot, and this is like my actual first Popsocket, and I liked it a lot. First time I use it, I place it around here, and it was kind of okay, but then I couldn't like place it like this way, like I couldn't watch video in a comfortable way. So I decided to move it, because you can get like two different angles with the Popsocket. You can get like the straight angle and like the other angle, like this, like on one side or the bottom. Like you can pick whatever you want, and it'll stay there. So I was like, oh, okay, so this is so cool. And I didn't watch any videos like explaining this. I'm not saying that I'm the first one, but I was like, I'm just gonna make a video. And then I removed my old Popsocket from the old place, and it lost stickiness. And then I was like, oh, I gotta buy a new one. But I wanted like a different color, because all the stores that I went to, they had this same color, and I mean, it's not bad, but I don't feel comfortable with it. Like, as you can see, my case is black, and this thing is white and like marble, and like I was like, no, I'm not satisfied with it. I don't like the way it looks. So I ordered this online. So one is gonna be for this phone, this one is gonna be for the phone that is recording this video, and this one is a backup. But yeah, my experience with the Popsocket, it's been like very good. I don't have any complaints about it. I mean, some people might complain that you cannot use it more than 3 times because it loses stickiness. But I mean, if you find the right spot for you, like me, like this is like a nice grip for me from this side, and this other side it's also a very nice grip, and like I can use it for social media, Facebook, Instagram, and the most important thing, I can use it for video, and it stays there. And this is what I had with this case. So I have something way better now, because I have a better case. This is a battery, and it has like more protection than this one. It feels better, the material feels better. And I also edit videos. Of course, I have a YouTube channel, of course I have to edit videos, and I do everything with my phone. So I can just grab my phone like this, and it gives me a better grip. And if I want to like switch things around, I can do it with the other hand. And yeah, like this is my experience. It's been like 3 months using the Popsockets, and I don't regret it at all. Like, I bought this one to try it, and I was like, fine, I mean, I don't like it, I don't like the color, but I'm just gonna give it a try. I tried it, and then I ended up buying 3 more. So yeah, that's my experience. I totally recommend it. Give it a shot. And my only advice for the Popsocket, if you don't want to like spend $30 like I did, I mean $40 counting this one, if you don't want to spend that money, a lot of people don't have that money, or like kids don't have a lot of money, you can just like get a lighter or like next to the stove and like make it hot, but please be careful. Ask your parents to do it. And then you can, like, if you don't like the first spot where you had it before, you can like move it, like take it out, and but it's not gonna be very easy. I have another video showing how you can remove this. I'm just gonna do it like here very quickly. You can just like with your nail pull it up, then put the plastic inside, and then push it, and then keep pushing, and then it'll remove. Don't remove it more than twice, because the stickiness is not, it doesn't stay there forever. But yeah, that's my experience using Popsockets. I had a very good experience, and now I have 4 Popsockets. I'm just gonna throw this away because I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna keep the black ones because I like them a lot. And yeah, that's my review, that's my experience. And if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thank you.